refraction through lenses, but not the lens maker formula, the Gaussian means lens equation 1 by f equals to 1 by v minus 1 by u. Let us derive it in another way. So just consider this lens. Here is a convex lens. This is object AB, ray parallel to principal axis. This one passing through optical center. Okay. The ray striking parallel to principal axis will pass through focus, and hence here is the final image. This is focus, and this one remains undeviated. Object AB, optical center C, here this one D, A dash, B dash. Okay, so this distance U, let us join CD. This distance V, this one the focal length F. Okay, so here in triangle ABC and triangle A dash B dash C, this one is equal. Okay, this one is equal, and hence what we can conclude? We can conclude as triangle ABC is similar to triangle A dash B dash C. Okay, now apply the condition like AB upon A dash B dash equals to AB upon A dash B dash equals to BC. BC upon B dash C. Let us say this equation number 1. Now just see this triangle. CDF and A dash B dash F. Okay. Triangle CDF is similar to triangle A dash B dash F. Apply the same condition like CD upon A dash B dash equals to CF upon B dash F. But this CD is equals to AB. So AB upon A dash B dash equals to CF upon B dash F. This is equation number 2. What substitution is here? CD equals to AB. Now using equation 1 and 2, just compare these two equations. What we will get? BC upon B dash C equals to CF upon B dash F. Here BC, since it lies left, so this U will be negative. Here it is minus U upon B dash C lies right. So V positive, CF. This CF is F, positive F. B dash F, this is also towards right. V minus F. V minus F. V minus F. Now solve it further. So minus UV plus UF equals to VF, or U minus V F equals to UV, or 1 by V minus 1 by U equals to 1 by. This is the Gaussian formula using geometry. Again, see this one, equation 1. Equation 1 implies A dash B dash upon AB equals to B dash C upon BC. What is A dash B dash? This is the size of image. What is AB? Size of object. Okay. So if we think about linear magnification produced by a lens. What is magnification? The ratio of size of image with that of object, means ratio of size of image with that of object. With that of object. This is called linear magnification. M equals to I upon O. So here A dash B dash, just put the value here. Since it is inverted, and hence minus I upon AB positive O equals to B dash C positive V, BC negative U, means I by O equals to V by U, and hence the magnification can be termed as M equals to I upon O equals to V by U. This is the expression for linear magnification produced by a convex lens. So here just check the sign. If V is positive, U is negative, then in that condition M will be negative. For positive V and negative U, M will be what? Negative. The significance of this negative sign is that image is inverted. If V is negative, U is already negative, and hence M will be positive. Means image is erect. You can also learn it as corresponding to negative magnification. The image is real, and here the image is virtual. But this real virtual magnification, this real for negative and virtual for positive, will hold good only in case of single lens. In case of system of lenses, this real virtual for negative and positive will not work, but it will always work for that. Means in case of negative magnification, learn only inverted. In case of positive magnification, learn only irregular.